So the first product we're looking at today comes in a package such as this. As you can tell, it is a wireless earbuds Magneitc workout gym Bluetooth headset. I know a lot of tablets use Bluetooth, but it depends on the Bluetooth version. They got 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. I think they're working on 4.0, so it may or may not be compatible with your headset. My Samsung Galaxy Tablet Active, which is the first one, not the second one they came out with, the first Tablet Active does not work with most Bluetooth devices. It only works for me with my PS4 controller, which I'm shocked, and it actually works pretty well when I play games with it. Something I read about these is that they are great for exercising, and I'll give you the actual name of these in a second on a screenshot somewhere, probably at the beginning of the video. It has power on, power off. If you bought these and you lost the instructions, there's a description. Power on, power off, next song, back a song, and then plus and minus for the volume. The instructions are in both what I assume to be Chinese and English. Power on, long, MFB until red and blue. Music play pause, music pre next song, volume up and down. Last call number redial is to double press the MFB. So double press the call symbol 1 2 to have it call the person. Like if you missed a call, it'll call them back. Uses the latest Bluetooth technology. Here is what they look like. It's got something really nice about it are the metal tips. So you can see the luster on it. Metal tips. And it's skinny. It's skinny like the Samsung Galaxy S6 headset that came with it. It's very skinny. It's not one of those round cables. It's a skinny one, like a piece of paper. Your charger is on the side. That little flippy tab. I don't know why I'm looking over there. The camera's there. Little flippy tab. I read that these last 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depending on what you're using it for. Of course, phone calls are going to use more power than anything else. I have an iPhone 6S, and I will try these with my Galaxy tablet just to see. And it comes with rubber pieces. I assume these are either to like prevent friction or to get the back off if you need to take the metal piece off. I'm not entirely certain. I will look that up on the manual. It does come with 2 additional earpieces and the charger. Got my Galaxy Tab active, cool case, and I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. Okay, turn Bluetooth on, going into settings, because sometimes you know how tablets are. They sometimes they don't like automatically look, but see, I'm on Bluetooth settings. It's kind of blurry because the glare, but I am on Bluetooth settings. And yeah, they are really magnetic, which is kind of cool. Magnetic, pull apart. And someone's like, well, why would you use that? Well, if you're running and you take them out, they die. You don't want to keep them in your ears unless maybe you have like bugs or whatever that you don't want to get in your ears. But you can just wrap around your neck and wear it like a necklace. So we're going to hit the power button. Blue light flashing. Blue and red. So these are not working with my tablet. Go figure. Guess the Bluetooth is too old for 2014. Guess it's way too old. Kind of sucks, but I'm going to try it on my phone. Okay, so I'm watching a video on a different phone right now. And I've got to say, for music, the bass is pretty heavy. It overpowers the vocals to a certain extent. But I love bass. Bass is great. Extreme bass is better because a lot of people today can't sing. You're hearing auto-tune in every song. It sounds horrid, but these speakers are picking it up clearly. So they're bass-heavy headphones. Some people will love it. Some people won't like it. It's clear. It is clear. The bass is very clear. I'm also watching... Now I'm going to hang on. Now I'm watching a video. Well, it's loading. By Jenny Nicholson, and when I don't have headphones in, you can hear like an echo because she doesn't use an external microphone with her camera, and Oh yeah, I can hear her clearly. I can hear her very clearly. Yep, I can hear her clearly. The thing is I can barely talk. I gotta pause her. Okay. The thing is that when you have them in, you can barely hear other people. Some people like that. It's not noise, like not complete noise canceling. These aren't $200 headphones, but they're kind of muffled. And the magnet is great because, you can put around like a little necklace. Okay, they're dead. Something that really scares me is that when you turn it on, it goes beep, 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 beep. Like the first beep is scary, but the rest of them are really soft. And then when they die, they go beep, 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 beep. And it's really loud just out of nowhere. But I do love the skinniness. I love the magnet. I love their shape. I love that it comes with the charger. I love that it comes with the 2 plastic pieces. I love that it comes with additional ear wrap so it doesn't get lodged in your ear. And I love the size. It's just really convenient. Just look at it. Look at that. And it's so clear to see. It's lightweight. It looks heavy, but it's really lightweight. It's kind of cool, though. You just put them around your neck. Boom. There you go. There you go. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend this for 10 bucks. I mean, for 10 bucks, this is everything you'll ever need. You will need a more modern phone, because with my tablet, for whatever reason, it just won't do it. But my iPhone works perfectly fine with this, the iPhone 6s Plus.